It is still early to be able to appreciate the full extent of the impact of COVID-19 on the aviation industry. We are all hit by this pandemic at a personal level for sure, and there is still so much we do not know. Still, some things are clear now. The significant and sudden drop in air traffic has shaken the industry, and it will never be the same again. There is, of course, the massive and sudden decrease in revenues for all stakeholders, airlines, airports, aircraft manufacturers, and NSPs. Many had to adapt their workforce and their investment plans to deal with the magnitude of this change. It has become crystal clear that this crisis will accelerate the shift initiated in the air traffic management sector before the pandemic. Moreover, some trends and behaviors in regards to how flying takes place have been set, and there probably will not be a way back to the old way of traveling. As a matter of fact, air traffic is not currently forecast to return to its 2019 levels before, say, 2024 or later. The next 3 to 4 years will therefore be quite tough, since traffic is the revenue enabler for most organizations. That being said, there is also an opportunity to anticipate and apply lessons learned from other industries and from the crisis. In particular, and Thales is one key player in that picture, we can work all together on accelerating the building of a sustainable, resilient, and future-proof aviation industry. What the aviation industry is facing is unprecedented, both in magnitude and timescale. At Thales, in the air traffic management area, we have identified with our customers and partners more than ever before the necessity and need for using technology as an enabler of flexibility and adaptability in the event of abrupt changes of traffic. This is new, as before we were mainly concerned with delivering more capacity. Air traffic control providers and all ATM stakeholders, airlines, airports, and network managers in Europe have a greater need to optimize their operations. Systems have to be redesigned to enable greater levels of adaptability to air traffic volumes and to facilitate faster and cheaper system upgrades. Not doing so would actually cost more to ATC providers, as they would still need to invest to deal with hardware obsolescence and the ever-increasing need to level up cyber and safety resilience of their existing systems. Moreover, training systems will have to become more flexible and to leverage cloud technologies so that air traffic controllers can continue maintaining their skills regardless of the circumstances. This is key to safety, and whether safety is heavy or light, there is no trade-off that can be done on safety. Since 2018, we have been working closely and accelerating with our customers on the shift of the air traffic management sector towards digital transformation. We now talk about airspace mobility to emphasize that it's not only about controlling traffic and making sure there is no conflict, but it's more and more about optimization of resources, of space, of different needs, and now environmental impact and more than ever, costs have to be taken into the equation. All this while leveling up safety and cybersecurity. This process is accelerating, with cloud-based technologies and artificial intelligence at the heart of it. And Thales has a unique DNA to be catalyst of this shift of the aviation industry. We are working on new generations of systems with higher levels of automation and more stimulating working environments for air traffic controllers. Free of repetitive or low-value tasks, they will have more time for critical responsibilities. Our new systems will enable to manage multiple air traffic control zones with one unique control center, thanks to data models and architecture design to support all that. Our systems will require less hardware thanks to cloud technologies. Upgrades will be less expensive and integration with other systems will be far more simple thanks to open architectures, systematic use of API-like integration. and rollout of agile model of development that will enable continuous delivery while supporting built-in safety and cyber resilience by design. The increased application of cloud-based technology and artificial intelligence will also enable a more optimized use of air traffic control systems. These will run according to volume of air traffic levels. It will be easier to improve routing and to implement systematic continuous descent. Additionally, the development of digital twin technologies will facilitate upgrades and the exploration of the concept of operation evolution to address specific concerns or issues. Better management of available workforce, easier training and qualification of controllers, better airspace design, and integration of environmental impact priorities, meteo disruption, military airspace requirement for better integration, and finally, UTM drone traffic integration. The development of digital training solutions will indeed give greater flexibility to air traffic controllers. They will be able to receive a personalized training wherever they are located, and this will decrease cost and time of their upskilling and qualification. These changes can definitely contribute in the longer term to a safer and greener aviation industry better suited for the challenges our society is facing when it comes to civilian air traffic. We, at Thales, we have a unique opportunity to make this happen, and our customers are with us on this amazing journey. It is going to be a tough ride, but these are exciting times forcing us all together to redesign a new and better airspace industry.